This is the Newsroom from the BBC World Service. Now, from Nigeria, we move to Ethiopia and reports of trouble in the Oromo region, where students and others have been demonstrating. The British Foreign Office says there was violent unrest in the town of Ambo on Wednesday, and there have been reports of deaths. Our Africa editor, Mary Harper, is here. Mary, what's going on?
It seems that over the past few days there's been growing protests across the huge Oromo region, which is dominated by members of the Oromo ethnic group. Mainly students and some others have been protesting in various towns, and there have been reports it's been very, very difficult to get any information out, showing just how repressive the authorities are there. But I've been receiving some calls from people saying that a number of students were killed, were shot dead, and others wounded in the town of Ambo by members of the security services. It hasn't been possible to confirm this with anybody in the Ethiopian authorities, but the fact that, as you mentioned, the British Foreign Office have mentioned what it described as violent unrest suggests that indeed there is trouble in that region.
And this is due to what? The expansion of the capital, Addis Ababa?
Yes, the Oromo region surrounds the capital Addis Ababa, and the Oromo people have for years felt marginalised, and there was a plan announced earlier this year to significantly expand the capital. Addis Ababa is one of the fastest growing capital cities in Africa. The Chinese and others are developing it very, very swiftly, but it is at a cost to the farmers in particular in the Oromo region, and they are protesting and they are being crushed, it looks like, very violently.
Mary Harper, BBC World Service Africa editor, thank you.